Are you a grower who is worried about labor availability, rising costs, and quality standards? Are you a food brand who is frustrated by the very long time-taking process of quality check and manual entry? Are you a wholesaler who is concerned about objective quality and building trust with the buyers? Are you a retailer or a food processing company that is finding it very hard to get hold of the quality data and traceability of your entire supply chain? Introducing Intello Track, your one-stop solution to record, automate, digitize, and share quality assessments of your produce. With our easy-to-use app, as a grower, you can track the pickup process in real time, ensure quality compliance, and maintain an optimal workforce and enable your quality team to work faster and seamlessly. As a food brand, you can carry out and automate thorough checks and digitally record all quality parameters for any commodity and variety and provide objective, non-biased feedback on the quality. As a wholesaler, you can use barcodes, lot numbers, and add images to trace quality across your supply chain and get insights on self-improvements of your quality grades. Share the quality results directly from the app with all your stakeholders and receive email alerts for rejected lots without any delay. As an exporter, you can provide quality assurance to your overseas customers before shipping. And as a retailer or food processing organization, you get the complete picture across your supply chain, from process adherence to quality reports to the latest trends. With Intello Track, maintain supplier accountability, standardize evaluation and quality control, monitor distribution centers, and more. Get started with Intello Track today and reduce manual efforts by 25% per day by the digitization of quality records and cut down customer rejection rates by 40%, reduce food loss by 30%, and improve profitability. Intello Track, your one-stop solution to digitally transform your food value chain.